Hello friends, I will be with you and by your side with a new video today to learn together about the better and scientific use of chemicals and pharmaceuticals. Today we are talking about a substance that is widely used in the skincare products industry and is one of the best and most natural exfoliants, cleansers of dead skin cells and tissues, and skin disinfectants. So please stay with me. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, that is found naturally in plants such as willow trees and is also produced synthetically in the laboratory. This compound is widely used in skincare and the treatment of skin diseases due to its exfoliating, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, and is available in a variety of products and pharmaceutical forms such as creams, ointments, gelsons, shampoos, and adhesives in varying percentages. Salicylic acid uses in skin products. Salicylic acid is one of the main ingredients in skincare and treatment products due to its chemical properties and positive effects on the skin. 1. Exfoliant. Salicylic acid acts as an exfoliant. This acid penetrates into the deeper layers of the skin, removes dead skin cells, and helps clean the pores. 2. Acne treatment. One of the main uses of salicylic acid is in the treatment of acne. This substance helps prevent the formation of pimples and acne by penetrating the skin pores and dissolving excess oil and dead cells that clog the pores. 3. Reducing skin oil. Salicylic acid helps regulate the production of sebum, or the skin's natural oil. This effect is very useful in people with oily and acne-prone skin. 4. Reducing skin inflammation. Salicylic acid has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce redness and inflammation caused by acne or other skin problems. 5. Helps treat psoriasis and eczema. Salicylic acid helps remove scales caused by skin diseases such as psoriasis and can reduce itching and inflammation caused by eczema. 6. Reduces dark spots. Salicylic acid can help reduce dark spots and scars by regularly exfoliating and stimulating the skin cell renewal process. 7. Anti-aging products. Salicylic acid is also used in anti-aging products because it helps smooth fine lines and improve skin texture by exfoliating dead skin cells and stimulating the production of new cells. 8. Antifungal infections. Salicylic acid alone or with antifungal agents such as sulfur, ketoconazole, ceticonazole is the best treatment for eliminating all types of skin fungus. How salicylic acid works on the skin. 1. Penetrates pores. Salicylic acid is easily soluble in oil, which is why it can penetrate deep into the pores of the skin and cleanse them of existing oil and impurities. 2. Reduces clogged pores. By removing dead cells and excess oil that clog pores, it helps prevent the formation of blackheads and whiteheads. 3. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of this substance relieve inflammation and redness in acne-prone areas. Examples of salicylic acid uses in skincare products. Salicylic acid is widely used as an effective ingredient in skincare products due to its exfoliating, anti-inflammatory, and pore cleansing properties. It can help reduce oiliness, treat acne, and improve skin condition, and is also widely used in products such as creams, gels, ointments, and patches, and lotions and shampoos to treat and control acne, fungus, corns, and cracked heels. In general, the following percentages can be observed. Face products, 0.5 to 3%. Hand and body products, 3 to 5%. Cracked feet and darkening of the skin products, 5 to 15%. Antifungal infection products, 5 to 10%. Anti-corn and wart products, 15 to 40%. Solubility and method of use of salicylic acid. The white powder of salicylic acid is insoluble in water and slightly soluble in glycerin, but it is completely soluble in alcohol and ether. However, given that alcohol is not well soluble in cream and ointment bases, the best option for dissolving salicylic acid is glycerin, because this substance is well dispersed in glycerin and will not have a problem with cream and ointment bases. Note that salicylic acid should never be added directly to the base, because in this case the final product will be of poor quality. Therefore, as a principle of cream making, the solid part should always be first dissolved or well dispersed in a liquid as a solvent or dispersant and divided into small microscopic particles. Salicylic acid does not dissolve in glycerin, but it disperses very well and turns into small microscopic particles. Of course, it is better to grind salicylic acid before using it.